Hello Classy, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to create a silver shimmer eyeshadow look. If you're ready, let's get started. I have already cleaned and moisturized my face. I am now outlining and grooming my brows to prepare them to be shaped and defined. Always remember to follow the shape of your brows and take your time. You got this. And I will be using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Suede. Blending out my concealer. You want to make sure that you blend the concealer out because this will help define your brows. Be sure to blend the concealer that is on your eyelids also. You should already know what time it is. I am now applying eyeshadow onto my eyes. I will be starting out with the transition shade Walker from the Morphe Abbey Roberts palette. For my crease shade, I will be using Shawata and Yodit from Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. And for my lid shade, I will be using Ambitious from Juvia's Place Wahala 2 palette. applying eyeliner. When applying eyeliner, you want to follow the shape of your eyelid. I am applying it slowly because I want you to actually learn how to do this. Afterwards, you can always go back and clean it up with concealer. I will now be applying foundation. I'm using MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Matte Foundation in NC46. When it comes to foundation, you want to make sure that you apply it and blend it evenly. I'm applying glitter onto my eyes. Always remember to put a little bit in the inner, outer, and center of your eyelid. I am now applying lashes. Always remember to apply the lash upon the center of your eyelid, then place them in the inner and outer corner of your lash line. I am now highlighting my face using MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Concealer in the shade NC43 and NC44. Beginning to blend the concealer out. Remember, you always want to make sure that you evenly blend the concealer in the areas that it was applied to. Applying setting powder to set my makeup. The setting powder that I am using is Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch in the shade Honey. While without baking, I am now applying my contour palette. The contour palette is from Black Radiance's True Complexion in medium to dark. I'm applying pressed powder. Remember, this will help with any harsh lines from the setting powder. The pressed powder I'm using is from the Maybelline Fit Me collection in the shade Toffee Caramel. I am now applying highlighter. I like to apply it on my cheekbones, nose, bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. This will add a glow to your look. I am now applying eyeliner on the lower eyelid. You want to make sure to apply it very carefully and slowly. I am now applying eyeshadow onto my lower eyelids. Always be sure to follow the shape of your eyelid as well. Now be applying mascara onto my lower eyelid. Be sure to apply it slowly and lightly as well. I'm applying lip gloss and lip liner. When applying lip liner, you always want to make sure to follow the outline of your lips slowly and take your time. There's no rush. And I'll be back to show you the completed look. This is the completed look. Thank you for watching my video and always stay 3 times classy.